everyone, my name is Karen Gabriela Jasmine S. in PM 224120004, Accounting 22H. Behavioral theories in accounting. Behavioral theories in accounting are approaches us to understand how human behavior affect the use of accounting information and decision making in organization. In behavioral accounting, it is not only the numbers and financial statements that are the main focus, but also how individuals, group, and organization interact with that information and how various psychological, social, and emotional factors affect the way they process and use accounting information in decision making. One of the important theories in behavioral accounting is the agent and principal theory. This theory lends to the relationship between the owners of the organization and managers. Owners expect managers to manage the company for the mutual benefit, but there is often a potential conflict of interest as both may have different goals. In addition, there is decision-making theory which deals with how individuals, especially managers, make decisions based on available information. This theory looks at how accounting information is used to make decisions that are considered the most optimal. Even though these decisions are made under condition of understanding, in this case, accounting not only serves as a tool for recording transactions, but also as an important tool for evaluation various options and risks that action. Using decision-making models that can help minimize uncertainty. Motivation theory also has an important role in behavioral accounting. This theory focuses on understanding how incentives or rewards, both financial and non-financial, can influence individual behavior in organization. In accounting, this is particularly relevant for designer compensation or perform measurement systems that encourage individuals to act in accordance with organizational goals. In addition to motivation, cognitive theory is also one of the important theories in explaining how individuals interact with accounting information. This theory studies how people process information, interpret the number in financial statement, and ultimately make decisions based on their perception of the data. Cognitive theory also discusses various cognitive bias that can affect decision making, such as overconfidence bias, where a person feels too confident in their abilities, or unaccording bias, where a person is too attached to the internal information that they receive, even though that is information that is more relevant. Then there is social control theory, which focuses on the influence of social norms and organizational culture in determining individual behavior. In accounting, this theory explains how a strong organizational culture, internal rules, and other social control can influence the way individuals act. In many organizations, a culture that supports transparency and accountability in financial reporting can reduce the likelihood of financial statement manipulation or other unethical behavior. Finally, conflict theory identifies that within an organization, there can be differences in interest that lead to conflicts between various parties, such as managers and shareholders, regarding how accounting information is presented or as overall. Behavior theory in accounting offers a deeper understanding of how accounting decisions are influenced not only by objective data alone, but also by psychological and social factors. Knowledge of this theory allows accounting system designers to better consider human behavior in designing accounting procedures and policies that are more effective and can reduce the potential for errors or deviation in decision making. Thank you.